Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in France, and as you guys can see, my kids are sitting very quietly. You know why? You guys should know why. Because they love books, especially this little one. She loves book, and the minute I say book, she jump up and sit on the couch. Well, she's gone now, but she will be back. Trust me. Come and sit. Book. Book. Exactly. So you guys, I am pretty excited to share this book with you and with the kids. You want to come up? Come. I'm pretty excited to share this book with you guys and with the kids because this book is written 10 acts of kindness. And if there's nothing that I'm excited to teach the kids about throughout this lifetime, is kindness. So this book is called 10 Acts of Kindness and it's from author Lolo Smith. I'm going to leave the link down. Sorry, I just want to go ahead and read the book. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase this book. I read it myself and it's absolutely amazing. With everything that is happening in the world these days and with all the kids that we have walking this earth, I think that every kid should learn about acts of kindness. And the cool thing about 10 Acts of Kindness from Lolo Smith, it comes with a bingo game. So when you purchase your book, you get a bingo game in it that you can go ahead and play with the family when you finish reading the book. So I'm going to go ahead and read the book with Tyler, and I'm pretty sure that he's going to enjoy it. Sarah, come, book. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and read. So you want me to start and then you continue?
No, I start.
But you have to read loud so the faves can hear.
It is important to be kind and friendly. It makes others feel happy when you are kind to them.
Do you understand what that means?
Yes.
Right. So it's important to be kind and friendly because it makes others feel happy, right? So you'll be kind and friendly to others.
We're not supposed to do like say boy.
Which boy? What he did? What the boy did?
He tear the shirt off of another boy.
Well, that's not kind.
Yes, and he did that for no reason.
So he needs not to do that, right? You need to teach him how to be kind, right?
Yes.
So he needs this book.
Yes.
All right, you guys. So 10 acts of kindness. It is, like Tyler says, it's important to be kind and friendly. It does not cost anything to be kind. On the following pages are 10 acts of kindness that children and parents can try together at home. Be a superhero by being kind. So that was just the intro of the book. It teaches you 10 different acts of kindness, and as you guys can see the illustration. Sarah, look! Book! Book! I have to hide these papers from Sarah. Come on. As you guys can see, the illustration in this book is pretty cool. So it teaches the kids to be superhero. So it's the acts of kindness number 1. So it lists the acts of kindness throughout the book. So kindness number 1 says, use sidewalk chalk and write kind messages on the sidewalk or parking lots in your neighborhood. You understand what that means? It says to use chalk, the thing that you use to write on your board.
Yes.
And write kind messages on the road, on the sidewalk of the road, so your neighbors can see it. And when they read that message, they'll smile. Understand?
For example, if I have and I write as something kind that I would write, you are a superhero.
You can write that too. That is a nice message. So it says to write in the parking lot of the neighborhood. It says a warm smile is the universal language of kindness. You understand what that means? Smile to somebody and it will make them feel good.
Okay.
And it says good luck here. Then it says acts of kindness number 2. Think of 3 relatives that you do not see very often.
Mama.
Then write a nice handwriting letter or card and drop it in the mail. Your letter or card will make them smile because it is rare. to get a handwriting letter, since most people just send texts or emails. We rise by lifting others. You understand what that means?
No.
So acts of kindness 2 says, instead of texting or sending an email, write a letter to your cousins or your uncle and your auntie and send it by mail. That makes them feel nice. And more illustration, that's pretty cool. All right, Tyler is going to read acts of kindness number 3. Read acts of kindness 3. Read it loud.
The next time that you are in a car, wave and smile at people in other cars to see if they will have
Wave.
They will wave or smile back at you.
You understand what that means? You remember when we were at the stoplight a few days ago and the little girl was smiling and waving at you?
Yes.
Right, that's being kind. Okay?
And I was smiling at her.
Right. So it says kindness is free.
Because it feels me good.
It makes you feel good, right? That's nice. Alright, so acts of kindness number 4. Take flowers to your teacher. They are much better than apples. So you have to take flowers to your teacher sometime because she's kind and she's nice to you. It says, never look down on someone unless you are helping them up. Do you understand what that means? You are not better than anybody else. So don't talk bad about somebody. Okay? The only way you should look down on somebody is when you're helping them to get up. Right? Alright, Tyler is going to read acts of kindness number 5. This book is so good, we just have to share all of it with you guys. Alright, read acts of kindness number 5.
If you have elderly neighbors, check in on them and ask if you can be of any help.
Right, do you understand what that means? If you have old people living beside you, that's who is an elderly, older people. If you have old people living in the neighborhood and you see them, ask them if they need any help. That's being kind. Okay? So if you see them walking across the street, ask them if you want them to help you. If they want you to help them walk across the street. If you see them with a heavy bag, ask them. Mama will ask them if they want me to help them to carry the bag. Understand?
Yes, I get to hear.
Okay, read the note.
No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted.
So in the book, it teaches you acts of kindness and then it gives you a little note down the bottom, and that is really cool. It says no acts of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Meaning it doesn't matter what the kindness is, it is appreciated. It's not wasted.
Okay.
Right? And it shows you an illustration of a little boy helping an old lady. Alright, acts of kindness number 6. Go ahead and read.
Share a special toy with a friend.
Share a special toy with a friend.
If for example, I was being kind when Adam was here, you know why?
Why?
Because when we was playing in my room, Adam asked me if I can give him a toy, and I said yes.
Very good. So you share. Just the same, you have to share with your sister, right?
Yes.
Right. Very good. And it says choose kindness. That's the code. Acts of kindness number 7. Ask a parent if they will take you to the children's hospital so you can donate your gently used toys. You know what that means? You remember Mama told you the other day that we're going to donate some of the toys and we donate the clothes?
Yes.
And you asked me why? Because a lot of kids don't have
Yes.
what you have.
Yes.
So you're sharing with others, and that's being kind.
Yes.
Right? Awesome. And it's the quote says kindness is always in season. Acts of kindness number 8.
Make a thank you card for your teacher or principal.
Understand what that means? Make a card just to say thank you for your teacher or your principal.
Okay, and the truth here.
Okay, read the quote.
One kind word can change someone's
entire
day.
Right. You understand what that means? Saying a word of kindness to somebody can make their day be very good.
I understand.
You guys, isn't this book absolutely amazing for kids? It is so good. You like it?
Yes. I want to read all the rest.
Okay. Acts of kindness number 9.
Read the book to your younger sister or brother.
And who does that all the time?
Me.
All right. What's the code says?
Kindness is the
language
which the deaf can hear and the blind can see.
Which the deaf, you know what deaf mean?
Yes.
Okay. So kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Do you understand what that means?
Yes.
Very good. It says, once upon a time. That's big brother reading to little brother. Tyler love reading to his sister. Because you guys know Sarah love books.
My turn.
Acts of kindness number 10. So this is the last act of kindness within this book. Okay, go ahead and read it.
You should invite a classmate who is
easily
left out to play on the playground.
Do you understand what that means?
I only understand all the way to invite.
Okay, it says you should invite a classmate who is easily left out to play on the playground. So if you are at school and you see one kid from your class who nobody is playing with that one person, you should go to that person and ask them if they want to come and play with you. That's being kind. So that person don't feel like nobody don't want to play with them.
Okay, so Mama, everybody in my class is not kind.
Why?
Because when nobody want to play with me, nobody come to me.
So what do you do?
I don't know.
What do you do when nobody wants to play with you? When you're at school and nobody want to play with you, what do? You sit in a corner,
I sit in a corner all by myself and boring.
So why do they want to play with you?
I don't know, for no reason.
But that's okay. Okay?
Okay. But
You just play by yourself until somebody play with you.
Okay, but every time I play by myself, still nobody want to play with me.
But that's still okay for you to play by yourself sometimes, okay?
Okay.
That's okay. It's cool to be kind. Alright? Are you going to play with your teacher? Alright?
Okay.
Alright, it says the kind pledge. We're going to read all the kind pledge here. Okay. And as you guys can see, it have a list of pledges here of kindness that Tyler is going to read.
Okay.
Wait, Sarah, wait. She wants to see the book. Wow. Superhero. Number 1.
I pledge to be kind at home.
Okay.
2. I pledge to be kind at school. 3. I pledge to be kind on the playground. 4. I pledge to be kind to others on the internet. And 6.
5.
I pledge to to tell an adult when I see someone
being unkind.
Being unkind.
Understand what that means? Right. Number 6.
And number 6, the last one. I pledge to be kind and be like a superhero.
Right. Alright, so yay! That's the end of the book. However, it says use the bingo style kindness game to help encourage your child to practice simple yet powerful acts of kindness. So it shows you the bingo style game in the book, and then they send you the bingo game here, which is quite a few pages with acts of kindness bingo. So Tyler and I and Papa will go ahead and enjoy this acts of kindness game later. So here you have it. Whenever you purchase this book, you will get an act of kindness bingo game for you and your family. So go ahead and show this author some love, guys, please. If you don't have any kid, purchase it for a friend. If you don't have any friend, purchase it for yourself. Purchase it for your nephew, your niece, and it's hardcover. The book is absolutely amazing, and they ship worldwide. The link is down below. Go ahead and purchase this book that is called
10 Acts of Kindness.
By who?
Lolo Smith.
There we go. All right, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and click the link down below to get your 10 Acts of Kindness. Now it's all yours.
Thank you.